Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a video in my Dollar Tree sticker series, and I have a card to share with you. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the items that I used for this particular card. First up are these lawn fawn cuts, and it's called the Stitch Wave Borders. And then I use my favorite stamp set right now. It's the Essential Sentiments by Waffle Flower. I used the Happy Birthday. And then I also used this die set. I'm not sure if this is a Gina Marie die or not. And I used the clouds from this die set. And then from Dollar Tree, I picked up this cardstock. I have plenty of cardstock in my stash, but I wanted to try this out so I can let you guys know my opinion. And it's just my opinion, but I did not like this cardstock. It's super thin and it bends really easy. It gets marks in it super easy. So you have to be really careful when using it. However, I did use it and like the way it turned out, but most likely I won't be buying this again. And then let's see the sticker. So the sticker I used this time was this cute little whale. And it's a specialty sticker. It says, I guess it indicates that you can sew with it, iron, or any other thing. But I just thought he was so cute. So let's take a look at the card. So here's the card that I made. So you can see I used all three colors of the Dollar Tree cardstock. Used the wavy die to cut the waves at the bottom. I thought this turned out pretty cute. At first I didn't like his little tiny birthday hat, but then again I did because he's so big and his hat is so little. So let me know below what you think of the card. I hope you're enjoying this series of cards that I'm making with the Dollar Tree stickers. And let me know if there's a sticker out there that you want me to use in a card. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.